Okay, this is question 19 on the higher non-calculator paper. Alright, let's read the question first. Wendy goes to a fun fair. She has one go at hoopla. She has one go at the coconut shy. The probability that she wins hoopla is 0.4. The probability that she wins at coconut shy is 0.3. Complete the probability tree diagram. So they want you to complete this diagram. I have to admit, this is a good question, and it's an easy question to pick up those 2 marks. On a tree diagram, on a pair of branches, on any pair of branches, the probability always adds up to 1. So if that's 0.4, this here should be 0.6. So they add up to 1. On this one here, that's 0.3. So those 2 numbers, when we say the 2 branches, they should always add up to 1. It's just those 2 we're looking at. So that should be 0.7. Right, and those 2, because they're for coconut shy, that Wendy wins and Wendy does not win, they're going to be the same over there. So 0.3 and 0.7. Okay, that's 2 marks easily, and it took us 30 seconds to do that. Make sure you can get that. Make sure you can do that in the exam. Part B is work out the probability that Wendy wins hoopla and also wins on coconut shy. So she wins at hoopla, and she also wins at coconut shy. So I'm actually going to draw this out on the diagram. So what we're looking at is the probability that Wendy wins here and Wendy wins there, right? So the probability that she wins at both. If you're following a path on a tree diagram and it's an AND probability, and you times. Okay, so if it's an AND probability, that means you multiply. If it's something and something, you multiply. So if it's the probability that she wins at hoopla, which is 0.4, and the probability that she wins at coconut shy, that's 0.3. So just writing that down is on your mark. What you need to do is now to be able to times that together. So 4 times 3 is 12. There are 2 decimal places in the question, so your answer is going to have 2 decimal places. That is your answer, 0.12. That is the best way to get full marks on this, and to be honest, this whole question is one which you should be ready for and prepared to get full marks altogether.